access every knowledge.
Improving your reading habits and reading more books is an achievable goal that requires a little bit of effort and commitment. Here are some steps you can take. 1. Set a reading goal. The first step to improving your reading habits is to set a realistic reading goal. Decide how many books you want to read in a given time period and make sure the goal is achievable. 2. Schedule reading time. Schedule a regular time for reading each day or week. This could be early in the morning, during your lunch break, or before bed. Try to stick to this schedule as much as possible. 3. Find interesting books. Choose books that you find interesting and engaging. This will help you stay motivated and interested in reading. 4. Eliminate distractions. Eliminate distractions during your reading time. Turn off your phone, TV, and any other distractions that may interrupt your reading. 5. Set a reading pace. Read at a comfortable pace. Don't rush through the book just to finish it. Take your time and enjoy the reading experience. 6. Take notes. Take notes while reading to help you retain information and stay engaged with the material. You can highlight key passages, write notes in the margins, or keep a notebook nearby. 7. Join a book club. Joining a book club can be a great way to stay motivated and accountable for your reading. You can also discuss the books with others and get new perspectives. 8. Use audiobooks. If you find it hard to carve out time for reading, consider using audiobooks. You can listen to them while driving, exercising, or doing other activities. 9. Make reading a priority. Make reading a priority in your life. Set aside time for reading each day or week, and make it a habit. The more you read, the easier it will become. By following these steps, you can improve your reading habits and read more books. Remember, it's important to set realistic goals, eliminate distractions, find interesting books, and make reading a priority. With a little bit of effort and commitment, you can become a better reader and enjoy the many benefits of reading. Thanks for watching.